Jai Somnaran, very good morning.
Jai Somnaran, sir.
Jai Somnaran, sir. Good morning.
My voice is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm really sorry for the being late. Actually, some issues were there. This one, that she had prepared, I think, one of class 10 student, right? The matter is important here. I cannot share my notes. If you want my notes, I'll send you through WhatsApp. Right? Mine is handwritten, and this is what. And I put some pictures also given. So here it is clearly given. Just you understand the concept here, okay? Whatever the written concept is there, you read in the textbook, and whatever I teach you, fine. You try to understand that. Political parties. First, the thing is that you need to understand what are political parties, right? And the components of the political parties. Who will be there in the political party? Who will be there, and what do they do? The leaders will be there. Leaders will be there, right? Active members will be there, and the followers will be there, right? So here, who are leaders? Who are leading from the front? Those are the leaders. Active members. For example, Mr. Govardhan Datta is Pawan Kalyan, right? And he is a leader. And there are some fans are there for him. Wherever he goes, they conduct the meeting, right? And they take care of all the activities in the party, whatever the activities are happening. Those people are called active members. And followers. For example, I like Pawan Kalyan. I may follow his political party. Like me, people are called followers. necessity of the political parties, importance of the political party. Why do we have political parties? If we don't have a political parties, what will be happen? No political party system also we have spoken, discussed. Functions of political party. What do? They contest in the elections, right? They discuss on the policies, right? And they make the policies. Formation of government, they do form the government. They play, if they are unable to form the government, they play an opposition role at least, shaping public opinion, the opinion of the whatever the people are, whoever the people are there in their constituency or in somewhere, whatever the opinions are there, they do take to the parliament or the assembly and they keep in front of the government, right? Whatever the opinions are that they take and they make the opinions of the people. They shape access to government machinery, welfare scheme. So whatever the government schemes are there, or whatever the machinery or etc., government related things are there, those must be accessible to the people, and it makes this political parties, they do it. For example, a government has started a particular welfare scheme, or any whatever the machineries are there in the government, if they are not accessible, not reachable, accessible means reachable. If they are not accessible to the people, then what do? That they'll try to make it access. For example, we says that MNREGA is running on. MNREGA means what? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. People are promised to give the 100 days of work from the each family, right? Are you getting my point? People are promised to give the 100 days of work. 100 days of work. And actually it is not happening properly. Some of the people they have taken the issue to the political leader. Then he approached it to the officers and they clear the problem. So this type of works also can be done by the political parties. Here the important point which you need to keep in the mind is, see, many political parties have come up, they rule the India, fine. One thing, I'll ask a question to you. I think so you are capable to answer. Which political party ruled up to 1977? Up to 1977. Political party, one famous political party ruled the India up to 1977. One political party.
Indian National Congress.
INC, Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress, right? Here the important point here, giving some information to you. See, 5-year plans we brought it. 5-year plans we brought it. 1 second. We brought the 5-year plans. What is the importance of the 5-year plans? Do you know? Now the Niti Aayog is there. Earlier the Planning Commission was there. Now the Niti Aayog is there on the place of National Development Planning. Right? What is the purpose of the 5 years planning? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, to develop a particular sector.
About a particular sector. Okay, good. And and
and developing more sectors and increasing our economic level.
see, one point you do remember. World War II had taken place. Many nations, they lost their economical prosperity, especially the India. 2 reasons. Reason number 1, we people involved in the World War II without the consult of the INC and without the consult of the political parties, those people were involved, right? They made us to involve, Britishers, and we lost our young people, working age people. Second point, the partition which had taken place, which broken the Indian economy like anything. And to correct the disequilibrium in the Indian economy, caused by the Second World War and the partition of the country. Whatever the disequilibrium was there in that particular situation, to correct it, we required some future plans. Are you getting or not? So M.N. Roy, he suggested some plans to develop the nation, right? First, we started a 5-year plan in 1951, right? And it was lasted up to 1956. And the first 5-year plan, the model is Harrod-Domar model. So what is mean by Harrod-Domar model? Harrod-Domar named one person, he was an economist. So according to him, to develop a family, to develop a nation, there is a one particular plan or a model. What should be done? To increase investment by increasing savings and using that investments more efficiently. I'm repeating, Harrod-Domar, one named person, he given a model to develop a family or to develop a nation, right? What is that? To increase investment by increasing savings and using that investment for more efficiency. Got it clearly? What we need to do that? We need to increase the investment by savings, and that saving, whatever we did it must be used efficiently. Are you getting my point? Mallu Jayavant Reddy. Okay. Are you getting or not? So in this first 5-year plan, why the 5-year plans are started, I'm telling you, just I'm giving the discussion. This is what the UPSC syllabus, Union Public Service Commission syllabus, IAS syllabus, right? These all are not required for you, but for the knowledge I'm telling to you, right? So how the political parties, they do work to develop the nation, the importance of the political parties I'm giving. Here, the most important that the first 5-year plan, it worked on the agrarian sector, given the importance by taking the inspiration from Russia. Russia developed like anything after the 1945. It focused more and more and more and more on production and irrigation. Production and irrigation. Right? So here 2069 crores rupees. 2069 crores rupees. That time 2069 crores means more and more. Right? And under the 5-year plan of first 5-year plan, they constructed the Bhakra Nangal Dam, Hirakud Dam, Damodar Valley Dam. Have you heard the names? If you have atlas, you can see. So here, if you see Bhakra Nangal Dam, it is constructed on the Sutlej River. Hirakud Dam, it is constructed on the Mahanadi River. Are you getting or not? Mahanadi River, and it is the world's longest dam. And it is Asia's largest gravity dam, which is Bhakra Nangal Dam, which is constructed on the Sutlej River, tributary of river Indus, Sutlej. Are you getting Sutlej River? And Damodar River. On the Damodar River, Damodar Valley Corporation was started with the help of the United States of America. See, I'll ask my general question. Dash River is known as the sorrow of Bengal. Dash River is known as the sorrow of Bengal. In class 9th you have learned. Second question. Dash River is known as the sorrow of Bihar. I did not get the answer for the first question.
Sir, first question answer is
Govardhan
Damodar.
Datta.
Damodar, sir.
Your videos are off. Why your videos are off? I don't know.
Kosi, sir, second one. Bihar. Kosi.
Very good, very good. Congratulations.
Sir, second one
Kosi is the sorrow of Bihar. Why the Kosi is called as sorrow of Bihar? Do you know?
Sir, because of flooding, all the habitants lose their livelihood, sir.
Kosi is an antecedent river. Do you remember Kosi is an antecedent river which cuts the mountains and which flows, and it comes from the Nepal region. Here the point is, when it is coming, it brings a lot of silt along with it. The upper layer of the soil will be washed away. And every year what happens that it changes its direction. Because of the heavy settlement of the silts on the river banks, I told it on your videos, Govardhan Datta. This is what happening every day. Govardhan Datta, Akshay Sriranga. It's what it will do that the sedimentation process will take and it settles of the silt, and because of the heavy deposit of the silt, it changes its direction. When it changes its direction, then what happens? The areas which they do not get the water, even they also get the water, and the excessive of rains they can causes for the floods. That is the most important point, right? Okay, so what I'm telling that at the 5-year plans, first 5-year plans, 3 major dams were constructed: Damodar Valley Corporation, Hirakud Dam, and Bhakra Nangal Dam. Who was the Prime Minister? Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister. Got it clearly? And 5 IITs were brought. 5 IITs were brought. Indian Institute of Technologies. And UGC was University Grant Commission was established. Okay? Likewise, total 12 5-year plans were there. Are you getting my point here? So why I'm telling that these plans made the future of nation and the running of the political parties, the involvement, how they are involving, they changed the political shape of India. For example, up to 1947 to 64, Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister, Congress Party. 64, what happened that he was died, right? 64 to 66, Lal Bahadur Shastri, who gave the slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He was the Prime Minister. And he went for a meeting in Tashkent. He was poisoned. Some people say that Congress people only, they killed him. It is still in the mystery. You can YouTube and you can know more about him, right? In 1966 to 77, Indira Gandhi was there. Indira Gandhi, right? Jawaharlal Nehru's daughter. 1966 to 67, and that was the period. 75, 76. Sorry, 76. Emergency period. Emergency period. In the emergency period, what happens? Your fundamental rights, except the Article 21 and Article 2021, will be there, and all the right to equality, right to freedom of speech, right against of exploitation, and this all will be taken back. Emergency period. Why that emergency? We will discuss later. And after that, 1977 to 79, Morarji Desai has come. So Morarji Desai, it is a Janata Dal government, and there was an instability within the government. Even the Janasangh is there. No, present day BJP also supported. Present day BJP also supported this Morarji Desai government. Later on, internal clashes had taken place. Mr. Kritik Tejas, you are not focusing. Internal clashes had taken place. I'm giving some information to you. Okay, I'm not teaching here. I'm informing you. This is had happened at that time. Okay, understood. So 1977 to 1979, Morarji Desai. That after, if you say 1980, 84, again Indira Gandhi, she has come, and Indira Gandhi was killed because of the Operation Blue Star. What is Operation Blue Star? You can YouTube it and you can know about that. Simple hint I will give you, which is related to the Sikhs. Khalistan. Sikhs, they wanted the Khalistan. Are you getting or not? And they started doing some terrorist activities. Then she suppressed that movement, and 2 Sikhs who are her bodyguards, right? They killed the Rajiv Gandhi. Sorry, they killed the Indira Gandhi, and she was very powerful. She was very powerful, such a great leader. 1979 to 80, Charan Singh became the Prime Minister. Charan Singh. Up to 77 to 79, who was there? Who was there? Morarji Desai. Right? And after that, 79 to 80, Charan Singh. So why I'm giving the information of these all prime ministers? It is not required to give the information about that. I'm telling you that how the situation was changing. After the death of the Indira Gandhi, after the death of the Indira Gandhi, again, the Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister. It means their own political, own family only ruling. Almost one single political party is ruling. Almost. You need to notice one particular point. Govardhan Datta, Akshay Sri Ranga, and this is what not correct. I told you to not to off the videos. Why are you offing your videos? I don't know. Ramodar Bangad, you also. People have become.
Sir, on only, sir, but it is not visible, sir. Video stuck, sir. Don't know why.
Govardhan Datta. When we are in the flow, when we are doing the correct thing, then let it be. I won't tell you people because it is your wish. If you are on your video, then I can understand that you are understanding the concept or not. I can understand that, okay, what should my teaching style should be changed, how the methodology should be. I can understand and I can raise the question. Now the coming to the point here, the different party systems were there in India. Later on, again here, after that, '84 to '89, Rajiv Gandhi ruled, right? And 89 to 90, 89 to 90, VP Singh was there, VP Singh. 89 to 90, VP Singh was there. And 90 to 91, Chandrasekhar from the INC. 91 to 96. And 96 to 99, 4 prime ministers came. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Deva Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujral, I.K. Gujral is also called as. And again Vajpayee. Again in the 96, again in the 98, 99, Vajpayee. Again Vajpayee, again 99 to 2004, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And after that, 10 years, 2004 to 2014, Manmohan Singh. And after that, 2000, Narendra Modi. Why I am giving this information to you? The political parties' survivalness is depend on the policies which they are making. Are you getting or not? So different political party system is very helpful to our India. Sorry, multi-party system. So if you see China is a single political party, you cannot raise the question also there. If you are raising the question, you will be, maybe next day your news may come that the one boy, okay, Mr. Donish Vandan Nayak, Kritish Tejas are missing. The missing report will be. And that is what the Chinese government. Two-party system, United States of America and the United States of, United Kingdom. These are the nations with full democracy. But wherever you go, the problems will be there. The natural problems. What are the natural problems? The domination of the local people on the non-local people. Obviously, if you go Bihar, the Biharis will dominate on you. If you go Maharashtra, Marathis will dominate on you. Right? If you go to Hyderabad, okay, this Telugu people will dominate on the other people. It is quite common. But the quality of education and the sanskar which we learn in the Brahma Vidya, our school which provides, if you are having the sanskar, so it is not going to be happen. The moral education is required for the present generation to stop these all nonsense things. Now coming to the point, we were speaking about that national parties, right? We have spoken about that INC, Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, we have spoken, and Communist Party of India, 1925 we have spoken, and 1964. This is what Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPIM. First is a CPI 1925. Second one is CPIM, right? And Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, we have spoken about that. Nationalist Congress Party, we have spoken it. Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress. Where it is Trinamool Congress?
West Bengal.
Where is Trinamool Congress? Trinamool Congress.
West
Where is
Bengal.
the Trinamool Congress?
West Bengal.
Very good, very good. And National People's Party, one more political party, National People's Party. National People's Party, one more political party, it is Manipur. Right? Now the important point which we need to discuss, that the problems in the political parties. See, state level political parties, the criteria to become the national level political party, state level political party. These political parties are important, their symbols are important. You can take or you can download the symbols also from the net. Right? These symbols are very, very important. They do ask in the examination. They have asked many times in the examination, So, especially from the Northeast parties, especially from the northeast parties. So this party symbol is very important. All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kajagam. This political party system, this political party symbol is important. Aam Aadmi party symbol, everyone knows that. Broom it is, right? And this All India Majlis-e Ittihadul Muslimin, this political party symbol also important. Right? This is the only party which is running with the Muslim name. Fine. And it says the other party is communal. It is in this political party only the name is there. This Asaduddin Owaisi MP and Akbaruddin Owaisi, who is his brother, right? And this party is having the roots of what? Actually, I should not use this particular word. Fine, let it be. Now coming to the point here, All India NR Congress. Jug is a symbol, and All India Trinamool Congress, flower and grass. Got it? And All India United Democratic Front, not that much important. Assam Gana Parishad, this party, political party symbol is important, elephant. Okay, All Jharkhand Students Union, it is a banana. That is also important. Biju Janata Dal, conch, this political party symbol. And Bodo Lands People Front, okay. So Nangol, this is what we say is that it is a pluff like thing. This party is, this political party symbol also important. Northeastern parties, whatever the northeastern parties are there, their political party symbols are very important, very, very important, right? There is a chance to ask in the examination, and you don't blame me when you get in the examination. Bodo Lands People Front, Bodo Lands People Front. Especially in the Assam, these are Bodos are one tribe. They are fighting for the separate land for them. Separate land for them. These Bodos people, right? And Desia, Morpoko Dravida Kajagam, DMDK, Nagara, Dravida Munnetra Kajagam. This political party symbol also. Puducherry, Tamil Nadu. These Tamil Nadu people names will be completely different. So here, Rising Sun, Haryana Janhit Congress. This political party symbol also important. Tamil Nadu, and these northeastern states, right? You need to keep in the mind. Indian Union Muslim League, Kerala. So one more political party which is named with the Muslim League, which is there in the Kerala, right? In Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, that political party symbol also important, pluff. Omar Abdullah. Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party. There is a cycle is the symbol, and this one is important here. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, bow and arrow, right? Here, this JDS, Janata Dal, secular, lady farmer, and this one also important. Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party, PDP, Mufti Muhammad Saeed, Mehbooba Mufti, present. Now ink, pot and pen, It's a democratical symbol. It's a very good symbol actually. Very good symbol. Why I'm telling that the people who are losing 100 out of 100 marks, there is a chance to lose here. Okay. What you need to do is that you have to revise these things, then only you can remember. Or you just try to know more about this. Kerala Congress, 2 leaves. Right. Here is one quotation she has written. If men be good, government cannot be bad. It means if people are good, political people. Challenges to a political party. So is Indian democracy is heading towards a monarchy? No, it is not like that. I think she is having the wrong opinion about the Narendra Modi, who has prepared this PPT. Now your lack of internal democracy, yesterday we have discussed about the dynastic succession. Just now I told you how Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, this is what happening. Okay? Bala Saheb Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, okay, Raj Thackeray, Shiv Sena, if you take Shiv Sena, if you take MIM, okay, Salahuddin Owaisi, Asaduddin Owaisi, Akbaruddin Owaisi, these people. If you take another point here, at the same time, Congress, if you take BJP I cannot find any, it means dynastic succession. Money and muscle power, if you have money and muscle power, then it is very easy to win the elections. Just yesterday I gave the example to you to make you understand. Govardhan Datta, your video is off. This is last and final warning, Govardhan Datta. Even Ramatar Bangads also. Here money and muscle power. Is easy to, it means what we can say is that it becomes very easy to get a win in the elections. Whoever giving more money, they are these people also, these voters also. Now let me ask one question, general knowledge question. Here, first ballot papers started using by which nation? First ballot papers.
Greece.
Who used it? The first ballot papers. Yes.
Sir, Greece.
Elections were started there. You answer me. You try to know and answer me.
Sir,
Okay.
Greece.
No. Elections were started. Okay. The oldest nation which started the elections, that is a different case. Right? Lack of meaningful choices. Here, one more important point here. Lack of meaningful choices. People are changing the political parties. So there is an anti-defection law which works that. So anti-defection law, what is anti-defection law? For example, Donish Vandan Nayak is a MLA elected from the Janasena party, right? In Andhra Pradesh, there is a one more party, YCP, YSR Congress party. So this person is not able to mingle with this all and unable to only one MLA, he's only one MLA, unable to fight with them. He thought that I should change the party and I should jump into the YCP. Are you getting or not? So actually there is only one MLA. There is only one MLA. It means 100% is he's only 1% also, he's only 10% is also, he's only. So then he can change the political party. If there are, for example, 50 MLAs are there or 100 MLAs are there in another political party, 100% MLAs, that is what called 100% MLA. If any one person wants to join the other political party, jump into the other political party, he has to resign, then he has to join. And then again the elections will be conducted for him. But now what is happening that Jampu Jilanis are more. There is a one song, no, Jampu Jilani, Budu Putani. So all the members who are there in the TDP and Congress, they jumped into the TRS. Now the TRS government is all the people who are there nearby the KCR, we can say that those are worthless people. Once they opposed the Telangana. Now they are becoming the executives of the Telangana's ministers. Talasani Srinivas Yadav, once he was in a TDP, he scolded like anything to Mr. KCR. Anything. You